Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go premium in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects and some recommendations. From here we have to go into the bottom right corner and tap on Pro, and here we can get a 14-day free trial by tapping on this button, and then just proceed by tapping on start my free trial. And yeah, that's basically how you can get a premium. And here we can view the pros of using premium. For example, there is a Canva AI which you can use on the premium version. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.